Imagine walking into your own personal oasis right at home. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through some breathtaking garden oasis designs that are perfect for any home, regardless of the space you have. From tranquil water features to lush greenery and cozy seating, there's an oasis garden design waiting for you. Today, I'm excited to show you how you can transform your outdoor space into a stunning garden oasis. We'll explore various design ideas that cater to different styles, sizes, and personal preferences, so you can create the perfect retreat right at home. Our first design is a modern minimalist oasis. Perfect for those who love clean lines and simplicity. This design focuses on using neutral tones, minimalistic plants like succulents, and smooth stone pathways. A small water feature adds a touch of tranquility, making it the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. For those who love a more vibrant, jungle-like vibe, the Tropical Paradise Oasis is for you. With exotic plants like palms, ferns, and colorful flowers, this design makes you feel like you're on a vacation. Add a hammock for lounging and tiki lights for that tropical island atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Looking for peace and serenity? The Zen Garden Oasis is designed to create a calming atmosphere. This design often features bamboo, a koi pond, and beautifully raked gravel paths. It's perfect for meditation or simply enjoying a moment of quiet reflection in your own private sanctuary. If you love the charm of the countryside, a rustic country oasis is an ideal design for your home. Picture wooden furniture, a wildflower garden, and perhaps even a small vegetable patch. This garden is designed for comfort and warmth, perfect for family gatherings or a peaceful afternoon tea. Even if you're in the heart of the city, you can still create your own oasis. The urban balcony oasis makes the most of small spaces by incorporating potted plants, vertical gardens, and cozy seating. Add some fairy lights or lanterns, and you've got the perfect spot to relax after a busy day in the city. matter what design you choose, don't forget to add your personal touch. From custom fire pits to unique water features, your garden oasis should reflect your style and needs. Remember, the key is to create a space that brings you peace, joy, and relaxation. So there you have it, 5 beautiful oasis garden designs that can turn any home into a peaceful retreat. Whether you prefer modern minimalism or a lush tropical vibe, there's a design out there that will transform your outdoor space into a personal paradise. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite garden design in the comments below. Create your own oasis and enjoy the beauty of nature right at home. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening.